In social psychology, conflict and cooperation are two sides of the same coin, each playing a crucial role in shaping interpersonal and intergroup dynamics. Let's dive into this topic, beginning with an introduction and then exploring the nuances of conflict both at the interpersonal and intergroup levels. Conflict in social psychology refers to a situation where two or more parties have incompatible goals, interests, or values. This discord can manifest in various contexts, from minor disagreements between individuals to large-scale disputes between nations. In contrast, cooperation involves individuals or groups working together towards common goals, often leading to outcomes beneficial to all involved. Both conflict and cooperation are essential for understanding social interactions. As the Russian author Leo Tolstoy once said, "All happy families are alike, each unhappy family is unhappy in its own way." This insight highlights the complexity and diversity of conflict in human relationships. Understanding interpersonal conflict. Interpersonal conflict occurs between individuals, often stemming from differences in opinions, desires, needs, or values. It can range from a simple disagreement to deep-seated animosity. Causes. Common causes include differences in personality or values, competition for resources, misunderstandings, and stress. Resolution. Effective communication, empathy, and negotiation are key in resolving interpersonal conflicts. Techniques such as active listening, assertive communication, and finding common ground can be instrumental. Impact. While conflict can lead to negative outcomes like stress and damaged relationships, it also has the potential to strengthen bonds when resolved constructively. It can lead to greater understanding and creative problem-solving. Understanding intergroup conflict. Intergroup conflict occurs between groups and can be more complex than interpersonal conflict. This can include conflicts between nations, ethnic groups, religious factions, or even corporate departments. Causes. These conflicts often arise from competition for resources, differences in values or beliefs, historical grievances, and social and economic inequalities. Social identity theory plays a significant role here, as in-group and out-group dynamics can exacerbate conflicts. Resolution. Resolving intergroup conflicts often requires addressing underlying causes, promoting intergroup communication, and fostering empathy between groups. Initiatives like intergroup dialogue, peace negotiations, and reconciliation processes are crucial. Impact. Intergroup conflicts can have widespread consequences, including social unrest, economic damages, and loss of life. However, successful resolution can lead to social change, improved relations, and a deeper understanding of diverse perspectives. Conflict and cooperation are not mutually exclusive, but rather dynamic and interrelated processes. As Martin Luther King Jr. profoundly stated, "Peace is not merely a distant goal that we seek, but a means by which we arrive at that goal." This encapsulates the idea that cooperation and conflict resolution are integral in achieving peace and harmony in social interactions. Conflict resolution and cooperation are crucial elements in the realm of social psychology, essential for maintaining harmonious relationships and effective group functioning. Let's delve into various strategies that are instrumental in resolving conflicts and promoting cooperation, essential for both personal and professional realms. Strategies for conflict resolution. Effective communication. Open, honest, and clear communication is vital in conflict resolution. Active listening, where each party attentively listens to the other and acknowledges their perspective, can prevent misunderstandings and build mutual understanding. Empathy. Understanding and acknowledging the feelings and perspectives of the other party can de-escalate conflicts. As Atticus Finch in Harper Lee's To Kill a Mockingbird wisely advised, "You never really understand a person until you consider things from his point of view, until you climb inside of his skin and walk around in it." Problem-solving approach. Focusing on the problem rather than on the individuals involved helps in finding mutually acceptable solutions. This approach involves identifying the underlying needs and concerns of each party and collaboratively seeking a solution that addresses these. Compromise and negotiation. Finding a middle ground where each party makes concessions can be an effective way to resolve conflicts. Negotiation skills are crucial here, involving give and take to reach a mutually agreeable solution. Use of mediators. In situations where parties find it difficult to reach a resolution independently, the intervention of a neutral third party or mediator can be beneficial. Mediators can facilitate communication, clarify misunderstandings, and help in exploring solutions. Building relationships. Fostering positive relationships can be a long-term strategy for conflict resolution. Strong relationships built on trust and respect are less likely to devolve into intractable conflicts. Strategies for promoting cooperation. Common goals. Establishing shared objectives can transform competitive situations into cooperative ones. When individuals or groups work towards a common goal, their efforts are synergized, leading to better outcomes. Interdependence. Creating situations where parties are dependent on each other to achieve their goals can promote cooperation. This is seen in team-based environments where the success of each individual is linked to the success of the team. Team-building activities. Engaging in activities that enhance team spirit and camaraderie can foster cooperation. These activities can include group challenges, workshops, or retreats focused on collaborative skills. Rewarding cooperation. Reinforcing cooperative behavior through rewards or recognition can encourage its recurrence. This could be in the form of praise, incentives, or public acknowledgement. Communication and transparency. Encouraging open and transparent communication within teams or groups can prevent misunderstandings and build a cooperative environment. Cross-cultural understanding. In diverse groups, promoting an understanding of different cultural backgrounds can enhance cooperation. This involves respecting differences and valuing diverse perspectives. In conclusion, effective conflict resolution and fostering cooperation are multifaceted processes that require a combination of communication skills, empathy, problem-solving approaches, and the creation of environments conducive to collaboration. As the American cultural anthropologist Margaret Mead once noted, "Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it's the only thing that ever has." This underscores the power of cooperation and collective efforts in creating meaningful change.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.